Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, grab a cup of coffee, get cozy, and let's talk about one of the trickiest spots in home decor, the TV stand. Raise your hand if you have ever stared at your living room media console and felt completely stuck. You put the TV up, you plug it in it, and then you are left with this long, awkward, flat surface that just screams, "What do I do with you?" Trust me, I have been there. We all have. We buy a bunch of cute little knickknacks, put them on the shelf, and suddenly it looks less like a stylish Pinterest board and more like a cluttered garage sale. If your TV stand currently looks a little inspired, or if you feel like you are struggling to make it look balanced with that big black rectangle hanging out in the middle of it, don't worry. Today we are breaking down simple, stress-free ways to style your TV stand so it looks gorgeous, intentional, and totally put together. No interior design degree required, I promise. Let's jump right into it. Before we style anything, we have to talk about the golden rule of home decor editing. I know, you want to jump straight to the fun part of putting things on shelves, but hear me out. If you pile new decor on top of old clutter, you are just creating a bigger mess. So step number 1 is to completely clear off your TV stand. Take everything off, put it on the floor or the couch. Give that surface a really good wipe down because let's be honest, dust loves a media console. Once your canvas is completely blank, take a hard look at the items you just removed. Ask yourself, do I actually love this piece or is it just taking up space? Be ruthless. We want a clean, breathable look, not a storage unit for random items. When you only keep the pieces that genuinely bring you joy or fit your aesthetic, styling becomes 10 times easier. Let's address the elephant in the room, or rather the tangled nest of black wires hiding behind the console. You can have the most expensive, beautifully styled decor in the world, but the moment a massive clump of cords is spilling out of the side, the illusion is completely broken. Taming your tech is an absolute must before you style. Now, I am not saying you need to hire an electrician or drill holes in your walls. Keep it simple. Grab a cheap cable management box from online or your local store. Shove all your power strips and extra contents inside and hide it behind the console, using Velcro ties or zip ties to bundle long cords together. Once your cords are tucked away safely, you instantly elevate the look of your space. It gives your eyes a clean line to follow, which makes your actual decor pieces stand out so much more. Let's talk about styling theory for a second, but keep it super simple. Have you ever heard of the rule of 3? It is basically interior designer's secret weapon. When humans look at arrangements, our brains naturally find odd numbers, especially group of 3, much more appealing and visually balanced than even numbers. So when you are placing items on your TV stand, try grouping them in threes. For example, instead of lining up 5 small photo frames in a straight boring row, try grouping 3 items together on one side of the console. You could use a small stack of books or decorative bowls sitting on top of the books and a small candle next to them. Vary the heights within that group. Have one tall item, one medium item, and one short item. That variation in height creates depth, and depth is what makes a room look expensive and professionally styled. I know this next tip is going to feel unnatural for some of you, but trust me on this. Leave some empty space. When we buy new decor, our first instinct is to fill every single inch of available surface area. We want to show off everything we bought, but minimalism and intentional styling teach us that negative space, the empty areas where there is literally nothing, is just as important as the items you display. Negative space gives your eyes a place to rest. If every inch of your TV stand is packed with items, it creates visual noise, which can actually make your living room feel stressful and messy. Let your console breathe. Leave a chunk of the surface completely bare. It highlights the pieces you did choose to display and gives your living room that breezy, calm atmosphere we all want to come home to. One of the biggest mistakes people make when styling a media console is keeping everything too uniform. If all your decor items are white, ceramic, or all shiny metal, the whole area falls flat. It lacks life. To fix this, you need to play with texture and contrast. If your TV stand is a dark wood, try adding lighter, cream colored ceramic elements to make it pop. If your console is a sleek, modern white lacquer, bring in some warmth with natural wood elements, woven baskets, or leather bound books. Let's be real for a second. Nobody has time to completely restyle their living room every single week. Life is busy. You want something that looks good, stays clean easily, and doesn't require constant maintenance. At the end of the day, remember that interior design and home styling are not about following rigid rules. They are about creating a space that feels good to you. Your home is your sanctuary, and your living room should reflect your personal taste and lifestyle. If you try out some of these tips, take a picture of your newly styled TV stand, post it on your stories, or tag me, because I would honestly love to see what you guys create. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a massive thumbs up and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new home decor video. Thank you so much guys for hanging out with me today. I will see you in the next one video. Bye.